This is a quick and easy recipe that can be served warm or cold and is delicious and bright. You will need 1 16-ounce package of frozen peas, 1 clove of garlic peeled and chopped in half, a tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 bunch of fresh mint leaves, salt and pepper. Boil the peas and garlic in salted water for 2 minutes. Drain the peas and rinse with cold water. Add the peas and garlic, butter, sour cream, and mint to your food processor. Process it until it is as smooth as you would like. Season with salt and pepper. We found that with the mint, we enjoyed this dish cold. We serve this with roasted Cornish game hens and a savory berry drizzle, as well as roasted baby potatoes with burrata, basil, spinach, and radicchio with lemon. The wine we paired was a 2018 Alloro Pinot Noir from the Willamette Valley. To learn more about this wine and the pairing, visit crushgrapechronicles.com.